Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. We're going to check out the conservatory right now at the Bellagio Hotel and Casino. Conservatory being one of those free things, believe it or not, you can still do here in Las Vegas. When I'm in town, I like to visit the conservatory not only in the daytime, but in the evening as well. It's a completely different atmosphere between day and night. And in this particular video, we're going to spend the first half going through it during the daytime, and the second half of the video will be in the evening, and you can appreciate the differences and the benefits of going both times of the day. One of the other free things you can do here on the Las Vegas Strip is the Mirage's Volcano Show, which takes place only at night. The Mirage being another MGM property. Lots of debate as far as if you ask anyone who visits Las Vegas frequently, which do they like better, the conservatory or the volcano show? It's usually about 50-50. I know I have a volcano show on this channel somewhere around. I'll leave a link below, and let me know which one you prefer more, the Bellagio Conservatory or the Mirage Volcano Show. Leave a comment below. Anyway, let's get started and check out the Bellagio's conservatory during the daytime. A little bit about the conservatory. Each season, the enormously talented horticulture and engineering teams transform the 14,000 square foot botanical garden into a showcase of inspiring sights, sounds, scents, and colors. Spring, summer, fall, and winter are all featured, along with a special display for Lunar New Year. When the seasons change, so do the displays. The talented conservatory team changes out the design and also replants and repurposes as much of the living plant material as possible, further celebrating Mother Nature and MGM's commitment to sustainability. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Clarice the crown, the Miss America crown, in yesterday's video, the Steel Pier at Night in Atlantic City. Congratulations, Wise Malik. And an honorary mention shout out to AB from RI, who found Clarice the crown right after Wise Malik. She's one of our newest and youngest subscribers here on the New York channel, so congratulations to you too, AB from RI. The light coming in from the glass dome ceiling here in the conservatory really make this place look different during the daytime, as you'll see when we show the second half of this video at nighttime. Both very beautiful. They look like two completely different shows. At night it's lit up in the shadows and the colored lights, and the colors really pop at night, and which you'll see shortly. Everything's very beautiful, but I particularly like this turtle. I love all things turtle. To put things in perspective, that pagoda right in front of us is 3 stories high. Why the world's largest strawberry donut is in the middle of this beautiful summer conservatory display, I'm clueless. Clueless and now hungry. The Bellagio has lots of fantastic restaurants, of course, but I should note at the back of the conservatory here are 2 of its more well-known ones. Michael Mina, which is an award-winning restaurant that features transcontinental twists on contemporary classics, as well as Sadel's Cafe right next door, which is a better version of your favorite meal. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. As I mentioned, the conservatory changes with the seasons, starting off with winter at the beginning of the year, and then there's the spring garden, the summer garden, harvest, and holiday. And somewhere around February is the lunar display, this year being the year of the ox, next year being year of the tiger. What we're looking at now is Summer Garden, which will remain up. It started May 29th and will run until August 28th. At which point there will be a couple of dark days, and then it will open up as Harvest on September 4th. Also bear in mind, if you're coming to see the conservatory, that there are dark days 4 times, 5 times a year when they're tearing down a display and setting up a new one. So if it's very important that you see the displays in the conservatory, I would check with the hotel first just to make sure you're not visiting during a dark period. And now it's about 9 hours later here at the Bellagio in front of the conservatory. Is it video editing or simply magic? I'll let you guys decide. I don't know if it's me or what, but every time I'm here at night, people just seem a lot more appreciative of the conservatory. Their smiles are bigger, their eyes are open wider. I'm not sure if it's the lighting or if it's just that they've been drinking all day. This year's Summer Garden, which is what we're looking at now, is called Echo, a season of earthly awareness, paying homage to the elements needed for life to flourish. With more than 30,000 flowers and plants, the garden beds are artistically designed to represent earth, wind, water, and fire. Guests are transported into an extravagant rainforest as they enter the conservatory, welcomed by an array of blooming flowers, bright greenery, and 7 whimsical animal sculptures. Designer Ed Libby and Bellagio's horticulture team carefully curated Echo, a season of earthly awareness, bringing to life the importance of keeping our planet beautiful. A horticulture staff of 120 maintains the botanical gardens and the entire grounds of the Bellagio. The staff has the ability to achieve seasonal designs by selecting flowers that complement the trees, gazebos, bridges, and ponds, and can add or remove water features to enhance the seasonal effect. As I mentioned earlier, I love turtles, and lots of people think they're the perfect pet. However, playing fetch could take a really, really long time. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And that's pretty much it for the Bellagio Conservatory today. What'd you think? Did you like the daytime better? Did you like the evening better? Have you ever been here before? Leave comments below. I really can't decide whether I like the daytime or nighttime better. They're both equally beautiful, very different. And like I said, I just can't make up my mind. But maybe you can. Leave a comment. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.